Hello everyone, back again with us. Welcome to Moto Stylish channel. Today we will introduce the 2022 Yamaha Tmax 560 Tmax. For the 2022 season, the 8th generation of Tmax is presented even more controversial than the second. If at that time they decided not to strain the engineers, then this time they seem to have been suspended from work, and instead, IT people were fully involved, although the designers also took part. In the traffic police, and so it has long been not considered a scooter. In the registration documents it is listed as a motorcycle, and now it seems that Yamaha has come to terms with this idea, developing another Tmax. Ergonomics are implemented in such a way that the landing has become even more motorcycle and comfortable. The sides of the bike are narrowed, it has become easier to lean on your foot during a stop, and the position of the back of the driver's seat is adjustable within 30 centimeters, allowing you to better adjust the fit for people of different heights. Digitization has already penetrated deep into the inside of Tmax and past generations. Equipment options. The 8th generation Yamaha Tmax, like its predecessor, is offered in different trim levels: standard, advanced SX, top-end DX, and high-tech tech. Initial and maximum equipment levels may differ in different regional markets. As a rule, ABS, TCS, and Smart Key are included as standard. The SX version is additionally equipped with a D-mode drive mode selector. There are only two options: City and Sports. Options DX, in addition to the same D mode, boasts cruise control, heated steering wheel, seat, electric windshield, and rear suspension stiffness adjustment. The Tech version is equipped similarly to the DX plus the MyTmax smartphone app. It extends the functionality of the Smart Key, for example, allowing you to track the location of the scooter and battery charge, generate a trip report, and much more. That concept has moved on though, and as Yamaha realized the customer base for the bike was evolving, so did the bike. The latest 2022 Yamaha Tmax Tmax is the result of this journey, and it's turned into a bit more than just a maxi scooter. Yamaha has begun referring to the machine as a sports scooter, and we headed out to Valencia in Spain to find out what one actually was. What's new with the 2022 Yamaha Tmax Tmax? The first thing you notice about the new Tmax is the more modern and sleek styling. The twin headlight design, synonymous with the bike, remains, although its peepers are now noticeably smaller and feature an all-LED construction. Peeling back the plastic reveals tweaks to the frame, engine, suspension, and technology of the bike, with Yamaha listening hard to the feedback from the bike's army of supporters. And when I say army, I mean one. Around 350,000 have been sold since 2001. That's a number that seems hardly believable in the UK, but head to the south of France, all over Italy, and most of Spain, and these things are as common as corner shop coffee bars. The cockpit of the bike is where most of the big changes take place, with Yamaha focusing its efforts on the dash, screen, and ergonomics of the machine. The dash is now TFT. The screen massively revised the ergonomics tweak for a more involving and exciting ride. It is a sports scooter after all. Most UK bikers are a bit snobby and are missing out on a genuinely handy piece of kit. I've been going through the social media responses to our posts and photos about the Tmax, and it's genuinely surprising to see how much hate this thing gets. And all of it from supposedly grown adults. Yamaha has sold over 350,000 Tmax machines since its launch in 2007. I could forgive the pasting the bike has taken if there were 3 zeros missing from that number. This isn't Yamaha flogging a dead horse, it's them supplying a bike to its customers that in most markets sells extremely well. It is the class leader in the maxi scooter segment, has more tech than most other proper bikes, has comfort for days, long legs, and it's a hoot to ride down a twisty B-road thanks to its uncrashable handling dynamic.